Hi there, Chris Dunning here, CEO of Tech Quarters. Today I'm going to tell you about our Hybridize solution. It's a way of modernising the whole of your network, and it's definitely Brexit beating. So if you want to upgrade the whole of your network, utilise some of those great cloud solutions out there, but gain access to all of your files on a local basis and have some disaster recovery built in, this is the solution for you. So let's talk about it. Here's your network here of all your PCs. They could be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Clearly we would talk to you about upgrading them to Windows 10. So you'd have the latest modern devices there. You'd then synchronize all of that and access some of your files with a mini server locally. Now this server is about the size of a shoebox. You can put it anywhere in the corner of the room. It doesn't take up a great deal of space. It's not belching out smoke or lots of heat. Okay, so it's a really small dinky thing that gives you access to your network and all of your data files. It also synchronizes all of your user login with Office 365, and it backs everything up that you stored locally up to Office 365 and Microsoft Azure. So once you're connected to that, that is your step one. Having a local server, having all your modernized network equipment and connecting to Office 365. The next stage is everybody will probably have their own mobile devices, or you might supply them with them. So that's iPads, that's Windows phones, that's Samsung devices. And basically you might have emails connected on those, or they might connect to some of their Office 365 file data, such as OneDrive, SharePoint for all of your collaboration data, and it synchronizes down to their devices. And the one thing that you've got to do is really protect your business and all of your data. So we have a pretty heavyweight piece of Microsoft cloud software called the Enterprise Mobility Suite. We weave that into this whole solution and make sure all of that data is protected. We can selectively wipe all of that data if anybody leaves or if there's some nefarious goings on, and we have a web cloud portal that enables us to get in and look at those devices and wipe any data if they ever lose them or they're lost on a train, or any laptops that are mobile. Don't worry, all of your data is fully protected. And then the final step is having a voice-enabled solution, which is an internet voice solution through Office 365 or some other means. So we can weave that in so that you're not using those old handsets anymore. You're literally on those little headsets connected on the screen. This is your modern way of working. So let's look at the real benefits. Okay, so what we can deliver for you here, it's definitely about beating the Brexit. Okay, so 45% capital expenditure saving on upgrading the whole of your network, plus a 23% saving we average on every operational budget per annum. So we can basically give you cost savings on your upgrade and cost savings with your ongoing IT service budgets. It gives you a business continuity solution. So what I mean by that is, if that mini server ever went down, or your people couldn't come into the office, or I don't know, heaven forbid there's a bomb or something like that, they could all work from all of their mobile devices or from home and connect to a replicated solution up there in the cloud. And once you've got your network back up and running, we will roll you back to that solution, back to Hybridize. So you've got a full disaster recovery solution there. It's a flexible and modern way of working. I mean, this is great for your employees. It will boost their satisfaction at work. They've got all the latest and greatest devices. We estimate it saves you about 15 minutes of employee work time per day. That averages out at something like £1,500 per month. Annualize that, and that's a full salary of a person that you've just saved by implementing this solution. You get faster upgrades as well, because we can implement this in half the speed that it would take the normal network upgrade. So 50% of the time it takes to actually upgrade the whole of your network to Hybridize. And it's future-proofing because you've got the latest and the greatest Microsoft cloud solutions all to hand. So you've got a modern network, and as everything new comes out, we can provision that on Office 365 or on your little mini server, and it's a simple flick of a switch for less cost. So you're getting a greater return on your investment. We'd love to talk to you about our new Brexit beating technology solution. So why not give us a call on 0800 148 8001, or you can email us at tellmemore@techquarters.com. We're really looking forward to talking to you about it. Thanks for listening.